you have your Gumball machine, you have your pills. The idea would be that you load your prescription into the Gumball machine, which would be closed, and you dial up a counter very much like on a film camera with how many pills or doses are in there, so that every time you're going to dispense one, it's going to count down and you know about when you need to refill. So then every day when it's time for you to take your pills, you turn the crank, and there she goes. She won't roll across the table, or the pill won't roll across the table in an actual like design, but the idea is that you'll get a controlled dose in a fun way that is relatively private but also entertaining. There's a top that is, very much like the classic Gumball shape. I was really bummed that 3D printers can't print fully clear. This is the crank, which connects to this little cup.
That's really cool.
Which has tape on it right now because I'm a professional. And you put the pills in the little cup basically, and then it spills. My favorite part of the whole thing is the little chute and like base portion, because I think it's just kind of fun. It's basically a little slide. So the way it like goes back together, if I can get this to cooperate with me, is there's like a little, backwards. There's a little notch there that you rest the cup in. And then there's a notch at the front of the cup that the crank goes into. So you're basically like working with a simple machine here, and you can notch this in, rotate it, and boom. But obviously the ideal version of the product doesn't need to be assembled by the user and comes ready to go. Load in your pills, lock it up, put some stickers on there, live your life, take your meds.